Introducing Scooter One by Project & Co. We created Scooter One to redefine the modern classic sneaker. How are we different? Our shoe is crafted with the latest technology, combined with all natural materials, designed to provide ultimate comfort for any occasion. A stylish, minimalist, eco-friendly shoe that is fit for every adventure. Our insole is made with Soufflé Fit technology, a unique blend of merino wool and renewable fabric from eucalyptus trees. This comfortable lining will keep your feet fresh, so you can wear it with or without socks. Scooter One is made with upcycled vegan leather that is lighter, stronger, and more durable than traditional leather. It is also scratch and water resistant, so you can walk with ease in any environment. Our dual-density popcorn technology creates a supportive and durable outsole, providing traction control and ultra-flexible comfort. Scooter One is designed for city-goers and trendsetters who appreciate comfort without compromising style. Back us on Kickstarter today and make Scooter One your modern essential sneakers.